Today's video I'm going to talk about how to use Face ID to install apps from app stores, so let's get started. Usually when you're trying to download something, they will be asking the password, which is actually irritating. So we'll be showing you all how to use Face ID to install the apps. First you just have to open settings. Just have to scroll down and you just have to navigate to Face ID and passcode from there. Give the passcode to continue. Enable iTunes and App Store. Proceed giving the Apple ID password. Then go back and you just have to tap on screen time from there. You just have to tap on content and privacy restrictions. Make sure you have enabled this. Once it is done, you just have to tap on iTunes and app purchases and from there. It will be set to always require by default. You just have to change this to don't require, and once it is done, you can close this and move to the App Store and you can download with your Face ID. So let's try downloading. As you can see, that we have successfully downloaded the particular app without using any password. It is getting downloaded. So this is all about it. I hope this video is helpful. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe and turn on push notifications for newer updates. Take care.